Welcome back, sports fans. We're talking about favorite icons today. Have you ever noticed that certain websites, or basically all websites, you'll notice have in the title bar right here in the corner, see where my mouse is? You have these little icons over here, and each website has their own. Like for Fiverr, they have an icon right there. You've got for my website, Tiki Shiburin, you'll notice I have my little icon over there. That's called a favorite icon. And today I'm going to show you how to put that into your web pages. So whenever you want to put a favorite icon into a web page, all you need is your icon. Essentially, it can be a PNG file or a JPEG file or even a GIF file. Now let's say, for example, in this example, I have my web folder over here, and there's a folder in there called images. And inside my images, I have my icon.png file. Now, typically, the size of this, the image itself, for the favorite icon, you want to have it 16 pixels by 16 pixels. Now, you might be thinking, gosh, Tiki, that's really tiny. Do I really have to include a file like that? Well, no, because it'll resize automatically, but still, you might want to save a few versions of this. So you could have one that's 16 by 16, one that's 30 by 30, and I'll tell you why you want to have those different sizes. But anyway, let's go ahead and put those icons in. Now, how you actually save the icon into your page, let's go ahead and save this page first. And I'm going to save this as a HTML page, and we'll call this Fav Icon. There you go. Okay, so this is favicon.html. Whenever you want to add a favorite icon to your page, you put it inside the head using a link tag. Now, a link tag is one of those empty tags, just like the image tag, so you have to close it like that. There's no closing pair. And one of the attributes for the link tag is rel, basically short for relationship. Now, the relationship tag, what the page is asking, or what the browser is asking, is what is the relationship of this link to this page? I'm going to say this is the icon link. Okay, basically it's a shortcut icon. And the only other attribute I have to specify is the hyperreference, or the location of the file. Now, remember that the file, the PNG file that we want to use as our icon, is actually located inside the images folder. This is where my page is sitting, and the icon is actually sitting inside a folder inside the folder that I'm in right now, called images, and the name of the file is icon.png. So how do we specify that? We say images. It's in the folder called images, and icon.png, and that's it. That's essentially how you put a favorite icon. Now, it'll take a few hours depending on your server, but it may take up to a few hours to propagate this image onto your website. So don't be dismayed if, when you refresh the page, you suddenly realize, hey, wait a minute, nothing's showing up yet. Give it about 24 to 48 hours. It might take that long. And also, while we're on the subject of favorite icons, you'll know that iPads and iPhones and Apple products, basically, Apple devices, they have a funny way of or I shouldn't say funny, but they have a different way of putting favorite icons. You can actually drag icons of web pages that you like onto your main screen in iPhones and iPads. So you can actually provide another link specifically for Apple products, and the relationship here is, here we go, Apple Touch icon, and it's pre-composed. Okay, and pre-composed. Okay, and you have to specify what the sizes are, because there are several sizes. You can say 52 by 52, 47. Usually people go 52 by 52. And usually the people choose 52 by 52, 72 by 72, 114 by 114, and 144 by 144. These are basically for the different size icons for the different size screens for the Apple devices. Okay, and of course you can specify, let's say you have images, and let's pretend you have an icon that's pre-sized to 52 pixels by 52 pixels, and you can specify that like that. right? So you can actually do a few sizes over here, just to Control C, Control V, and you can have different sizes, 72 by 72, and so on and so forth. So there you have it. That's how you put these favorite icons onto your page. For more information, please subscribe and also leave your comments down below to tell me what you think and if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Take care. Bye. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe. Also, check out the links below. And if you'd like me to cover something else, please leave a comment down below.